Alright, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most, and here is another one, like DJ Khaled said. Listener, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Say it with no apologies. I would never date a woman who has children already, and them children that is not mine. Here's another example. I don't care who want to call me biased or whatever, or who's in their feelings. Police are now saying that a man shot and killed his stepfather in Plantation, Florida, and now there's a search out for him. Yes, I'm doing this story because they are Jamaicans, okay? But stepdaddy get killed in a foreign. So the police are now searching, and I'm getting my information from the Miami Herald, and you can go look it up. His picture is in there, as well as his stepfather's picture is in there. Police are searching for a man who they say shot and killed his stepfather inside of their Plantation, Florida home. On Saturday, 27-year-old Haile Selassie Richards fatally shot his stepfather, 57-year-old Cleus Peart, at their address of 7085 West Sunrise Boulevard, according to the police. Police say that Richard's mother and the wife of Peart witnessed the shooting. In other words, his mama saw him kill his stepfather. He's 27 years old. Richards fled in his mother's car, but crashed it near 6500 block of West Sunrise Boulevard, according to the police. He fled in his mama's car? Or did his mom tell him, take the car and go, and I wish you all the best? Anyways, and that's something for you to think about. How he just fled in your car. Was she afraid? Did he strong arm her? Did he point the gun at her and say, give me the keys? How did that go? How did he end up killing your husband in front of you and then leaving in your car? Anyways, I say that to say this. A lot of the times, you're the stepfather. Even in a situation like this, she'll take the side of her son or her child over you. Watch him kill his stepdaddy. And then do what? Give him her car to escape. That's just me thinking out loud. Anyhow, he has been on the run ever since. Now, officers set up a perimeter using police dogs and whatever else means that they could use to try to locate the suspect in the Broward County Sheriff's Division. The office evasion technology was also employed, which means they had the bird flying in the air, helicopter, but he was skillful, willful. They could not catch him. Even with the helicopter, even with all the police officers on the ground and locking down the neighborhood and telling people to get back inside, and if they see anything, say something, and searching and searching. After he crashed the car, he ran on foot and he managed to get away. His description is he is 5 feet 5 inches tall and he's about 120 pounds. That's a small guy. My wife is taller than that and weighs more than that. He's 5'5", 120 pounds. And he has a large RIP cross tattoo on his right shoulder, according to the police. Police detectives asked the public to contact their local authorities and the Broward County Crime Stoppers with any information in this case. They said that the tipsters will remain anonymous, so you don't have to worry about your name or your face being thrown out to the public that you told. If you have any information about his whereabouts. And also, there is a $10,000 reward for information leading to his arrest. Somebody is going to give him up And it probably is the persons who are hiding him that's going to give him up. Listen, he's already cooked. Okay? He's already cooked. He killed his stepdaddy. We don't know why he killed him, but according to his own mother, he shot him down in cold blood. They might have had a verbal disagreement or something. Could be one of them case there where he's telling him, say, you's a 27-year-old man. You should have been moved out and go up on your own already. You're there around here and yam up all the food and not help pay no bills and all this. And they got into one of those altercations and he's like, I'm a mother house this. And he's like, no, young man, this is my house and your mother house. And we raised you already, so you need to go. If you're wondering about the dynamics of this relationship, the man, the stepfather, had been married to the mother for over 20 years. Her son is 27. So what does that tell you? He raised him. Only way he didn't raise him is if he just came to foreign and had not lived with them throughout his growing up. But he's been there since he was 7 years old or 6 years old, because it's over 20 years they've been married. The police detective are asking the public to please contact the Broward County Crime Stoppers with any information, and there is a $10,000 reward out on his head. You can call 954-493-TIPS or 954-493-8477, or just simply call Broward County Sheriff's Office, look it up, Google it, get a number for them, or just call 911 and tell them what you know, and they'll put you through to the proper authorities. Obviously, Daddy stepfather was a Rastaman. They're doing interviews about the people in the community and what they think about this Rastaman. Everybody, all the neighbors are saying they have lost a person in their community who was very helpful, who was very well mannered. You know, when the old white neighbors are coming out and are saying, oh my God, it can't be him. Anywhere he saw me in the neighborhood walking my dog or doing whatever, he would wind his windows down if he was driving in his car, and he would say, hey Clay, how you doing, man? You all right? His next door neighbor said he was the kind of guy that would lend a helping hand voluntarily all the time. If he saw you doing something and you looked like you needed some help to complete it, he would voluntarily jump over and start helping you. He was just that kind of a person. So everybody is talking good about him, which makes it even more bad for him. Well, according to Yard Hype, this is where I got the Jamaica bit from, authorities are intensifying their search now for Haile Selassie Richards, a 27-year-old Jamaican descent accused of fatally shooting his stepfather, Clayus Peart, 57 years old, at a plantation home in Florida on Saturday morning. The incident occurred shortly before 11:30 a.m. at a residence in the 700 block of West Sunrise Boulevard, according to the plantation police. I just don't get the point how he shot his stepfather in front of his mother. His mother told them she saw him do it. He fled in her car, using her car to leave. Then he crashed the car and got out and ran because he was panicking and him can't drive too good. Wow. I don't know if his mama knows this, right? But that's the piece of information that's going to seal your son's fate. You see, when you go to court, right, this is one of the things the lawyers will ask. Did you see him shoot him? His defense attorney is going to ask that. Did you see him pull the trigger? Did you see him hold the gun up to him and shoot? Mama already volunteered that information. She said, yes, I saw him shoot him right in front of me. And then him leave in my car. First responders radio transmission revealed after he crashed the car that he was spotted running through an area shortly after the shooting, but they were unable to get him. Despite all their efforts to try to locate him, it has been days now, and he has so far eluded them. They haven't been able to capture him yet. But this is America. And unless he gets on some fast moving something and head out of the United States of America, I have full confidence that he will be caught sometime soon. Let's see how this one goes. Anyhow, like I said before, I don't care who want to be biased. Me no want nobody pick me come kill me. Because relationships get sour. And I've seen it too many times where I saw the youth say, you ain't my daddy, ninja. This is a youth that a stepman raised that harbors bitterness towards you. Well, we'll follow this story closely to see what happens next. If he is captured anytime soon, the charges he will be facing, etc., etc. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.